I painted the stock tower brace too. Found it hiding up on that shelf over there. So I'm noticing I have a clearance issue with my 6-sand fuel line coming from my fuel filter here and the stock EM1 tower brace. So I'm gonna have to extend my fuel line enough that I can turn my 90 so I can get clearance there so I don't have any issues, because I don't want to drop the inline fuel pump, the 300. I don't want to drop it any more than I already have it on this brace. You can see I got the brace pretty much at the top of it, and I got it locked in, and it's firm and it's tight. But where I have it located, I really don't want to relocate it. So I think my quickest, easiest fix is just going to be extending this line 2 or 3 inches, enough so I can turn this elbow so I can gain that clearance. So for now, I'm just going to remove this bar until I can get that done.
Lend my scale, free the frails, this jersey, real touch the sky. The new shirt, real legs of mine. Unearthly, hurt, deep thrill, devil's cry.
My next obstacle is getting out of the driveway here. In my cul-de-sac, there's this rolled edge that they have all the way around, so the driveway doesn't plane out with the street. It's a fucking pain in the ass. You can see how bad it is there. I mean, that's like a 6-inch drop, so I really have to angle the car. And now that I put that traction control bar, that blocks traction control bar system in the front, drop the clearance underneath the car another 2 or 3 inches, so it's even more difficult. And I'm gonna be putting on this new lip that I painted to really accentuate the front end of the car. I used to have the EM1 lip on it. I got it up there. If anybody's looking for one, hit me up. And I decided to go with this to try and give it a little bit more of a unique look and just change it up. But this will be even lower than that was too, so my clearance is going to be like nothing trying to make it over that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to have to like get a board system or something every time I want to pull into the garage to make it up that driveway lip. I'm not sure yet, so that's going to be another obstacle to figure out. Look at that clearance. I want to see this, so that's why I'm stopping so much too, so I can actually get an idea of how low it's going to be. And dude, my bumper, when I put that lip on there, dude, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it in and out of the driveway. I'm going to have to get some boards or something made up. This will give you an idea of when I get the bumper on and the lip on, how far it is to hitting the sidewalk as I'm pulling out. Getting crisp outside. Hot exhaust. It's gonna look smoky out here for sure at 50 degrees, which throws me off every time, especially after that little control incident. That, and I'm not tuned up either. Should have a little bit less of that when I get my tune all straightened out as well.
Killer screwer, the big king giant, the feel like him, a piece of pie, a light I try, the blast aside, an awful way we die ain't the end for me, is the fright that's seen in my
Guess the first thing would be to go get some fresh gas, for crying out loud. Running super lean now that I changed all the piping. An extra pipe just in case the bungs that I welded on when nothing was welding good for the 2 blow-offs I have on my intercooler piping. If they fail at tune, I got an extra pipe that I can throw on until I can make a better pipe with some better aluminum instead of some really cheap stuff that I got on eBay that came painted and I tried to clean it and make it work. And another story I didn't film. No, I don't want a car wash. I think that's funny how they do that. Ask you if you want a car wash afterwards like that. Because if you drive away, somebody could say, sure, and charge a car wash. I could put along at like 5 to 10%. Pedal response. Anything more than that and it's just a choke. Alright. Alright, we got one corner over. There's the other corner. Sweet deal. That's no bumper though.